Assalamu alaikum guys, I'm back with a new video for you. So in this video I'm going to tell you that how to improve the performance of your computer. So in Windows 10 and you can also apply these steps to other windows. If you have some other window like Windows 7 or Windows 8 or any window else, you can apply these steps which I'm going to tell you. Okay, so the first step is go to the properties of your computer. Go right click on your PC and then properties. Then you will see the system protection here. So open this system protection. Here you see that system protection is off for local disk E, it is off for F, and it is on for C. I will click the configure and I'm disabling this, but it is on you want to disable it or not, because your PC used to make restore points. I mean that if your computer is not working properly, so you can go to the older version of your window or how it was yesterday or the previous day it worked correctly. So if you want to disable it, this means that it will not now create any more restore points, and you will not be able to go to the previous version of Windows. So if you want to disable the protection, this is on you, but this will improve the speed of your computer. Okay, so I'm not doing this step because I don't want to stop my computer from making any restore points. Okay, so the other thing we have to do is to go to the run, press window R and type prefetch here. Prefetch. Continue. Just press Ctrl A and then delete. If it says this action could not be completed because the file is in use, skip this file. And this actually these are the junk files which are in your computer, and these are of no use. Again, go to run, Windows R, then go to temp and enter. And here are some files which are also junk files. Control A and then delete. Yes, you can continue this. Okay, so okay, cancel it. These all files are in use actually, that's why I cannot delete them. Okay, so if you have you will have some free file right here or junk file, it will be deleted. Now again, control Windows R and type percentage temp percentage, enter. And there are many files. These files are also junk files, so control A and you have to delete them. Okay, so here the files are deleted. Yes, continue. Oh yes, continue. These are actually the junk files. You have no need to worry about. This is not your data or anything you have saved. So let's move to the next step. Sometimes you also have problem in boot that your booting is very slow. So just go to Task Manager, which is also next step of the system performance, that how to improve. Okay, so you will go to Task Manager. You just have to right click here and just go to Task Manager and go to Startup. Then I've already disabled all these, so try to disable many of them to improve your booting performance. Okay, so this was about boot, and I have already done this before. So refresh your PC and it will boost your booting. Okay, let's move to the next step. Okay, so what you have to do is to go to the run. You should press Windows button, then R, and go to MS config, then enter. Now what you have to do is to go to the services, then you should select all of these. Yes, they are selected, and then you should select this option. This one is hide all Microsoft services, and then you have done this. You should disable all. Okay, this will hide all the Microsoft services, and except then the Microsoft services, all other will be disabled. And then click apply, and then okay. Okay, so this will say you to reboot your computer, so you should restart your computer. And after restarting your PC, you will see a great change between the previous performance and the performance now. And you can also check it right here that in my case it was 46 before this step, and after restarting my PC and doing this step, it becomes 32. So this means that the memory usage by these programs is now less, and the performance will be more good. Okay, so now yes guys, it is possible that it may stop your synaptics, so you can again set up your synaptics. Just go to the settings, go to the search, and tap synaptics. uh, it will not be synaptics. Go to the mouse settings, then okay, then go to the settings, and here you can again set up your synaptics. Okay, so just applying this. Okay, scrolling. Okay, it's okay. Only in some cases it stops synaptics, but if it does, you should you can again manage your synaptics. Okay, so guys, what you have to do next is to go to the PC, then go to the properties of your local disk. First of all, see. Okay, now I'm telling you about that how to remove the junk files which are of no use. Okay, so here we will go to the disk cleanup. It will take a while, and then click on the cleanup system files. It will calculate. It will just take a minute or two. Okay, so this will not take so much time, but if it is no problem. You can wait. Just be patient when you are doing all this. Okay, so you should select all these files, each and every file I'm selecting right here. Okay, so now I've selected all the files here, and then click. See, it is about 27.2 GB,
and these all are junk files. And what is this? It is downloads. Okay guys, I'm not choosing this one, downloads, because there are some important files in my folder, in this folder, these are the downloads. And if you have nothing worthy here in download folder, you can also choose this. And if you have some important downloads which are in your this folder, the download folders, then you can backup it and then you can perform this step. Or if you don't like to select it, it's okay. Okay, so it's okay. Now I'll okay, delete files. It was about 12 GB. Okay, so now it's done, and now you can see that there is many free space also in your PC. There is 161 free of 210. Now it was, I think, 172 uh, before this step. Okay, so similarly, do this for all the three drives. Go to this cleanup, then clean system files, then OK, and delete files. Okay, so after this, click OK. So guys, what you have to do next is very easy. You have just to do the same which you have already done with other local disks. Just go to cleanup, and similarly it will take no time. So here is no data, but if here will be, it will be deleted like this. Go to clear system files, then OK, delete files, enter, and yes, it is done. So click OK. Okay, so sometimes guys, it is the next step that your browser is not running well. So how to fix it? That your internet is fast, but your browser is running very slowly, or there are many problems like this. So what you have to do is go to your browser. I'm using Chrome. So if you have some other like Microsoft Edge, or you can also apply these steps to that. First of all, go to the history and clear your history. It will also delete the cookies you have uh, from the sites. Go to advanced, not last or all time. Then you should select all of these. This will delete all these type of data which is written here, also cached files, cookies, and etc. and clear data. Okay, so now the data is clear. Okay, so the other thing you have to do is to go to the extensions. How to go to the extensions? Just go to more tools. Here you will see the extensions. Okay, so many of them are I have only 1 2 3 4 5 extensions, but many people have lots of these extensions. I mean 10 or 12, or many people also have 20 to 30 extensions and which are enabled. You just have to do what you have to do is disable many of them. So okay, I'm not disabling this one because this one is in use. Okay, so you should uh, disable many of these extensions, and this will uh, make your browser more smooth and more fast. Okay, so cancel it up. You can now refresh your PC, and it will the performance of your browser will be better. Okay, so guys, the next step and the last step have for you guys is just go to search. Now you have to defragment your drives. Okay, so go to defragment, and you have to just analyze it and then optimize it. You as Windows in my case are in this C. Defragmentation of Windows C will improve the performance of your Windows of your PC. So I'm going to analyze it. Okay, then click optimize. Okay, I'm not performing this step because this will take a lot of time. So that's why it will take about half hour to 45 minutes. It depends upon the speed of your PC. So that's why I'm not performing this step. Okay, so I will close it up, and after this step, your PC will, I think, uh, ask you to it will ask you to restart, and you should have to do your restart, and it will be defragmented. So if you like the video, please give this video thumbs up, and tell me your problems in the comment box, and hope it will speed up and boost up your PC. So till next time, assalamu alaikum.